Hey guys, it's Perry here and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Chiu CZE leggings and I got mine in black, brought to you by Run Deals. And if you guys didn't already know, Run Deals has a really awesome app where you can get exclusive offers and deals on really awesome products, a lot like the one we're about to open right now. So let's check it out. Okay, so far so good. Nice and compact. Nice bag inside of a bag. Okay, so right off the bat, as soon as I feel them, they feel really, really nice. Really thick, like they're not gonna be see-through at all. Okay, guys, and let me try them on and show you. They look really awesome. They look like a high-end yoga pant. All right, be right back. Can I first say, wow. These leggings are seriously so awesome. They're so stretchy, come up so high in the waist, like past my belly button. Nice fit in the back with their little branding. Oh, you guys, these are amazing. Like I was really not expecting them to be this awesome for the price. Like the quality is so good. They're not see-through whatsoever. And I do a lot of working out and like hiking and stuff. So yeah. I'm blown away. Really, really awesome product. Highly recommend. Stretchy, good fabric. It's so soft and smooth, like no snags or anything. Chiu CZE leggings. Oh, and look at this. You can follow them on Facebook and Instagram and get 50% off. Do it, guys. It's the real deal. Love it.